Wagwan, it's Lika J. Thank you for tuning in. This segment of my channel is called Style in Thrift Transformations, where I'll be showing you how to transform all of those old thrift finds into today's modern day wear, doing this all while still on a budget. I have this dress since high school and I've gotten a little bit too thick, so I decided to transform the dress into a bodysuit to wear with some summer shorts that I have. So to get started, I'm just cutting off the top of the dress to turn it into a no shoulder bodysuit. So once I've marked the top, I can go ahead and cut the shoulder off. So since I don't have a pattern to use to cut the bottom, I'm going to use a bodysuit that I already have. I'm placing the bodysuit on top of the dress and I'm going to outline it about 1 inch away from the bodysuit so that I have enough room to hem it afterwards. Once I've made that outline, then I can go ahead and cut it out. Now I'm just pinning the sides and the top so that I can go ahead and sew it on the machine. Okay, so for the crotch, you have two options. You can either sew it together, or if you want to use these Velcro patches, you can use those at the bottom as well, and you can get them in Walmart or Joann's fabric. This bodysuit is finished and pretty much ready to wear.